Welcome to the unit circle and sine cosine graphs. We'll rotate from 0 to 180 degrees and observe how the sine and cosine values change. On the left, the unit circle shows the radius rotating. On the right, the sine and cosine graphs are drawn live. At 0 degrees, sine is 0 and cosine is 1. At 30 degrees, sine is 1 by 2 and cosine is square root of 3 over 2. At 45 degrees, sine and cosine are equals to square root of 2 by 2. At 60 degrees, sine is square root of 3 over 2 and cosine is 1 by 2. At 90 degrees, sine reaches 1 and cosine becomes 0. At 120 and 60 degrees values are same except cosine is negative. Same for 135 and 45 degrees except cosine is negative. Same for 150 and 30 degrees except cosine is negative. And also for 180 and 0 degrees except cosine is negative.